the train every morning at 8:52, sipping coffee from the same cafe as you. The sharing secret for no one else you. That's what I miss about you. The new way the love made me see. You bust your green when you ask if you like your key. The knowing where you used to caress me. That's what I miss about you. We have a future that could be and would be. The way you say I've been on my own. You have it to suck yourself in overpriced cologne. Where you turned the lights out when I knew you were home. That's what I don't miss about you. I bet you're using your very magic like it's new, driving so fast with a new fool inside you, presumably believing she's the last of the lucky few. I wonder if she knows she's being like I do, the way I only doubted myself when I was with you. Like I was wrong for expecting something